Hello students, in this video I will teach you how you can represent decimal number on number line and what process you can use to show decimal number on number line. We can use successive magnification. This process is used to show decimal number on number line. Let me start the process here. We have the number, for example 3.765. You can see here 3.765 is greater than to 3 but less than to 4. So 3.765 lies between 3 and 4. So we can locate it 3 and 4. We divide this group and 10 equal part, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 and 3.9. We divide it 10 equal part. Now locate the number 3.7. You can see here 3.7 and 3.8. Because we want to show here 3.7, so you can see here 3.7. So we locate the 3.7 and its next number. Now we magnify the 3.7 and 3.8 in 10 equal part. Similarly which do here 3 and 4 here. 3.7 and 3.8. We magnify it in 10 equal part. 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78 and 3.79, and after that it will be 3.80. So we want to find here 3.76. You can see here 3.76. We locate the 3.76 and its next number 3.77. Now we will magnify the 3.76 and 3.77 in 10 equal parts. Look at it here. 3.76 and the second is 3.77. We magnify in 10 equal part. It will be 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766, 3.767, 3.768 and last is 3.769. We want to show 3.765. You can see here 3.765. We can locate it and we got your answer 3.765. So I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. First of all we will see कि our number will lies between 3 and 4. So we will open 3 and 4 in 10 equal part. Then after that we will locate the 3.7 and 3.8. We magnify the 3.7 and 3.8 in 10 equal part and we locate to 3.76 and 3.77, and after that we magnify the 3.76 and 3.77 in 10 equal part and we got your answer. I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. This method is called successive magnification and this method is used to represent the decimal number on number line. Now we will take one more example here. We want to represent on number line 4.21. You can see here 4.21 is greater than 4 but less than to the 5. So first of all we represent to 4 and 5 and magnify the number line in 10 equal part. 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8 and 4.9, and after that it will be 5. We want to show 4.2 here, so we locate the 4.2 and its next number. Now we will open 4.2 and 4.3 and magnify it in 10 equal part. Let me start. 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28 and last 4.29. You can see we want to 4.21 here. You can see here 4.21 and locate it and you got your answer. I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा.